Welcome to Remedial 1 YouTube channel. This is where we help students prepare for their exams. In this video, I'm going to share with you questions from Prempeh College Mock 2022 called Mathematics. Let's look at the first question. As usual, the first part is 40 marks and we are going to answer 5 questions. So, section A. Answer all the questions in this session. Number 1A. 8 raised to the power x is equal to 27 raised to the power 2y times 36. Find the values of x and y. B. Factorize x squared plus square root of 2x plus x plus 2. Question 3A. The probability that Apia will pass her final examination in both biology and chemistry is 1 on 2, and the probability of passing neither is 1 on 5. If the probability of passing biology is 2 on 3, find the probability that Apia will pass chemistry. Let's look at the B part. A ship leaves port T and sails on a bearing of 305 degrees to Port Q, 500 kilometers. It then turns and sails on a bearing of 210 degrees to Port R, which is west of T. Find the length QR, correct to 3 significant figures. The fourth one, a square pyramid of height 12 meters is cut 8 meters from the vertex to form a frustum of a pyramid with a volume of 281 whole number 13 on 27. Find the side of the base of the frustum of the pyramid. Let's look at the last question for the composite side. We have a circle on the screen. In the diagram, Q, R, S, and T are points on the circumference of a circle with center O. UW is a tangent to the circle at the point T. If angle SOT is equal to 64 degrees and angle RTW is equal to 58 degrees, find angle STR, II, angle STW, III, angle OTS. So let's go to the optional ones. So section B. Here you have to answer 5 questions from this session, and each question is 12 marks. So 6A. PQS is triangle such that T is the midpoint of PS. I'll divide QX in the ratio 1:3, given that vector PT is equal to X and vector PQ is equal to Y. Find I, vector PR. II show that vector RT is equal to 2x minus 3y all over 4. A vertical wall and a tower height 90 meters are on the ground. As seen from the top of the tower, the angles of depression of the top and bottom of the wall are 45 degrees and 60 degrees respectively. Find the height of the wall, correct to 5 significant figures. B. Amma has 20,000 Ghana cedis to invest. She invests part at 6%, the rest at 7%. And she earns 1,280 Ghana cedis interest. How much did she invest at each rate? Question 8. Using a ruler and a pair of compasses only, construct triangle PQR such that QR is 10 centimeters, angle QPR is 60 degrees, and the area of angle triangle PQR 32.5 centimeters squared. Find the perimeter of triangle PQR. I have a graph. The cumulative frequency curve below shows a group of students in a school. A. Using the O guide, construct a frequency distribution table with class intervals of 1 to 10, 11 to 20, and then II. Calculate the mean correct to 3 decimal places. So this is the cumulative frequency curve. So you are supposed to use this to construct the frequency distribution table, and then you find the mean as well. Let's look at the B part. The B part, there is a diagram. There is a diagram on the screen. Yes, this is the diagram. In the diagram, PRT is a triangle such that PR is equal to 15 centimeters, and the line RT is equal to 13 centimeters. Find PQ, IIST. Question 11. The monthly electricity charges in a certain country are calculated as follows. The first 45 units is 3,500 Ghana cedis. Next X unit 105 Ghana cedis per unit. Next Y unit 130 cedis per unit. Next 270 unit 200 cedis per unit. Remaining 150 units 310 Ghana cedis per unit. Mr. Apanko paid 131,000 for using 690 units of electricity. Find the values of X and Y. That is the A part. The B part. How many units of electricity did he consume if he paid 65,100 Ghana cedis? Let's look at the last two questions. Question 12. In a class of 35 students, 26 study physics, 21 study biology, 4 study physics only, 10 study physics but not chemistry, 15 study physics and biology, 13 study biology and chemistry. All the students study at least one subject. A. Illustrate the information on a Venn diagram. II. Determine the number of students who study alpha, exactly 2 subjects, beta, only chemistry. Let's look at the B part. 2 circles have a common tangent with point of contact at A and B. The radii are 10 centimeters and 5 centimeters respectively. Find the distance between the centers of the 2 circles, given that AB is equal to 7 centimeters. The last one, the time to bracket T taken by a train to cover a distance of 250 kilometers varies inversely as the speed to bracket V of the train. If the speed is double, it could take 1.5 hours less to cover the distance. Find the time T that the train will take to cover the same distance if the speed is triple. The B part. Given that tan theta is equal to 5.8, without using calculator, find cos 90 minus theta and leave your answer in the form of P with Q, where P and Q are rational numbers. The last one. Find the first 3 terms of the linear sequence in which the first term is equal to 9, the n term is 105, and the sum of first n terms is equal to 741. Thank you very much, viewers, for watching these videos. So those who are going to write the exams, make sure you go through these questions, solve them, and I hope you may get similar ones.